Hi, I'm Jody the Super Trainer. Today we are doing a review on the Aosky Professional Precision magnetic screwdriver set. It's a 70-in-1 electronic repair toolkit. Has the metric table on the back, nice strong case, hang it up in the garage. When you open her up, first tool we'll pull out is the magnetic screwdriver bit holder. So what you'll do is you'll take your bit out. Once you stick it in, it will automatically keep it from falling. All of the bits are like that. Excuse me. It also has a quick release, and you can have a short screwdriver or a long screwdriver, whichever you prefer, long or short. Then you have the lift tool, where you're gonna pry bolts out or pry ends apart, just like a little pitchfork. And all the tools will be kept in place without any problem. And you also have a micro bit. It's gonna go into the same tool. Also, you have the micro bits, in which you're going to use the mini or the micro bits that go into your screwdriver. I'm a techie, so I like to work with a lot of these bits, especially when I fix my phone screens when they break. One of the last pieces we'll show you is the adjustable mini screwdriver bit. And the piece that I just had out for the micro, you unscrew it to loosen it, and once you tighten it up, you hold it such, and you use your micro bits. So you have your micro bits and your mini bits. These are the ones in the third row right here. You also have your sights that you'll use with the driver, the mini driver bit. Like I said, great gift for your husband or your boyfriend if he can fix things. You need to go check it out. I'm going to leave a link to where you can purchase these in the description. Hope you guys have fun. Go pick up one of these for your husband or your boyfriend.